Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at an AI agent that automates the creation of SEO optimized WordPress blog posts. And all we need to do this is a line or 2 lines, a sentence or two, giving a high level overview of what we want the post to be about. So in this case, I've said prompt engineering for developers, writing better prompts to get better code. So I'm hopeful that we're going to get a useful blog post that's going to tell us something, not be too blah blah, and be some good value to our blog. So let's see what happens when we run. If I go test workflow, connects to the Google Sheet, finds any posts that haven't been created yet, and it's going to loop through this process once for each of them. So now it's going off to DeepSeek, which is probably the best AI model out there at the moment. It's less waffly than ChatGPT, and we can refine the prompt here. The prompt at the moment is asking for a 60-word introduction, a 60-word conclusion, 600 to 800 words in total. Chapters should follow logical flow and not repeat the same ideas. So we can be quite specific about what we want. Here we can put in brand guidelines, maybe who the target audience is. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that we can do to refine it and make it less AI and more human and to our target audience. So while that's creating, we can then look at the next step, which is the SEO expert. So it will take that content and craft us a meta tag, meta title, meta description, title, page title, and slug. All of that stuff is valuable for SEO. Then it gets added to WordPress, and then as a bonus we get an AI generated image which is attached. It's a bit hit and miss, the images. Sometimes it's got words that are spelled incorrectly and it seems very difficult to stop that from happening. So our draft has been added to WordPress, it's creating the image. We then upload the image and attach it to the post, set the meta tags, get the SEO friendly slug URL, and then update our sheet with the details of the post that's been created. And then finally, it's going to send us an email with the post and a link that we can go to view and edit or publish. So that's the whole process, and it means that we can create many blog posts very quickly with minimal effort. That's it. So it's created. If we go back to our spreadsheet, we should now find, yep, mastering prompt engineering for developers, enhanced code quality. We've got a nice SEO friendly URL, meta title, meta description, learn how to craft effective AI prompts for better code generation, master techniques to reduce debugging time and enhance collaboration with coding assistants. Sounds great. I really want to see it. So if we also check our email, we should have that refresh. There it is. Mastering prompt engineering for developers. So here's the post. It's a bit of a random image. I'm not quite sure what that's about. Might need to have a go again at that one. But we have got some titles, the importance of clarity, contextual details, structured prompt patterns. Good. Okay, so if we go to here, we've got a link to edit and preview. Here is our post, all created in WordPress. So definitely want to have another go at that image. But we've got nice use of bold. We've got bullet lists, nice subheadings. This is actually a really good post. Elk stack, yeah. Common pitfalls, advanced techniques, chain of thought prompting. I'll say explain its approach before generating code. Yeah, that's a good tip. So here we go. We have got a really good blog post generated in under a minute, 2 minutes, and that's ready to publish. So that's the workflow.